There it is. Depth reading confirms the position.
Copy that. Ready for deployment.
Tension the main cables. Check your harnesses. We are lifting in 5 minutes. We need to document the corrosion levels on the starboard wing immediately. Get the scanner over here.
Bring her down slow. Steady now, easy. We are clear on the starboard side.
Look at the extent of this pitting near the starboard intake. That marine growth really took hold.
We'll need to isolate that area immediately for detailed scanning.
As you can see, the stress points are highlighted in red. We detach the main spar assembly following the sequence shown here.
All right, easy now. Keep the ascent steady. Watch the starboard edge near the hydraulics.
As you can see on the Gantt chart, Phase 2 requires immediate attention. We need to accelerate the hydraulics overhaul to stay on schedule.
All right, bring her up another 10 feet. Watch that starboard side. Steady, steady.
Look at the extent of this pitting near the starboard intake. That marine growth really took hold.
We'll need to isolate that area immediately for detailed scanning.
This bolt is really stuck.
Careful with the torque. Check the pins again.
Pins are secure. Keep going.
Look at the detail here. We've got significant microfracturing along the grain.
Copy that. Logging the coordinates now.
Check the resistance at R14. The schematic shows 10,000 ohms.
Reading confirmed. It aligns with the modern equivalent.
This is the compressor stage. You can see the precision in every single blade. Look at the readings here. We have achieved stabilization across all axes. All right, we're aligned. Set her down gently.
Check the seating on the number 3 flame holder. Torque to specifications.
Bring it down slow, steady. Okay, we're seated. Blue team, commence sensor installation. Double check all connections. Torque is good on the pressure line. Let's move to the return manifold and verify the connections there.
Calibration sequence complete. All parameters are within tolerance.
Excellent work. Lock it down.
Gauge reading is stable. Pressure holding steady.
Confirmed. System check complete.
Check the alignment on that flange, Maria. Looks good, boss. Torquing now.
Watch the clearance on the lower toggles there.
Yes, I see it. It's fully seated now.
A little lower on your side. Copy that. Adjusting now. We are aligned. A little lower on your side. Copy that. Adjusting now. We are aligned. Pressure looks good here, stable at 50,000. Copy that. Ready for the next increment? Crane, lower slowly. Hold position at the marker. Team, keep the rope steady. Pressure holding steady at 5,000 psi. Check line 4 for seepage.
Confirmed. No leaks detected. Reading stable.
Extension looks good.
Log the sequence timing and confirm the lock indicator.
Radio check, button uniform 87.
Loud and clear, button, good tone.
Fire suppression checks complete. Confirming ejection seat safety pins removed.
Keep the pressure even on that seam. We need this coat flawless.